Petrol and diesel prices are continuing to soar across the country over the last few days. The petrol price in Delhi was recorded at 75.78 rupees per litre after a record hike of 62 paise per litre, while diesel is costing 74.03 per litre from 73.39 rupees per litre from yesterday. This is the 8th daily increase in petrol and diesel rates in a row. In other metros too, fuel prices are pinching the common man's pocket. Mumbai has the costliest petrol and diesel rate of 82.70 per litre and 72.64 rupees per litre respectively. Petrol in Chennai costs 79.53 rupees while diesel is at 72.18 rupees. Meanwhile, after the Congress slammed the government over a fuel price hike, Shiv Sena too has cornered the government. Shiv Sena leader Priyanka Chaturvedi in her tweet said that just when economic activity is picking up, rapid increase in fuel prices is extremely concerning.
Equal into international standards price, so we can't do anything here. So we have to go by that. All of these days, so many days, there were no demand for petrol. So all of a sudden, people are coming out, and at least for couple of months, they should make sure that prices are reduced. At least still the economic conditions are improved.
नरेंद्र मोदी साहब जरा प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, केसीआर है सीएम तेलंगाना का, जरा आप लोग सोच समझ के करिए साहब, जरा गरीब लोग हम लोग कैसा जीना, गाड़ी निकालने को मुश्किल हो रहा है हमारे को, तो बाहर फिरना बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा साहब हमारे को। तो
पेट्रोल का भाव बहुत बढ़ गया है, हमारे लिए क्या कर, हम लोग प्राइवेट काम करने वाला हम लोग कैसे भर पाएंगे और हम लोग कैसे काम कर पाएंगे जाने के लिए, इसके लिए पेट्रोल का भाव थोड़ा कम करिए, हमारे लिए बहुत धन्यवाद रहेगा।
हाँ, रोज ही बढ़ रहे हैं, इसलिए सबसे ज़्यादा दिक्कत तो यही बढ़ रहा है ना, हम लोगों को भाव बहुत पड़ रहा है, अर्निंग हो नहीं रही लॉकडाउन में कुछ कहीं से, हाँ, और एक्स्ट्रा बर्डन पड़ता जा रहा है।
Petrol and diesel are at the record high level since a week now. If you have observed, there is the hike of petrol price and diesel price to the tune of about 3 rupees 50 paisa. Central government at this time, when the nation is fighting against the deadly novel coronavirus and the entire nation is distressed, yet central government is busy implementing the higher taxes on petroleum products. I urge Bharatiya Janata Party led NDA government to stop taking people on joyride during this pandemic disease and swiftly act towards the economic development of this nation.
देखिए, पेट्रोल और डीजल की कीमतें जब भी बढ़ती हैं तो आम आदमी के लिए परेशानियां बढ़ती हैं, लेकिन ये एक असामान्य परिस्थिति है। आज एक अतिरिक्त व्यय देश और अन्य राज्य सरकारों को कोरोना के संक्रमण से निपटने के उपायों पर करना पड़ रहा है। जो टैक्स के कलेक्शन का जो आंकड़ा है वो बेहद निराशाजनक है। जीएसटी कलेक्शंस 35% तक ही अनुमानित पूरे देश के सभी राज्यों में रिपोर्ट हुए हैं।
Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us live from Mumbai. Mustafa, petrol and diesel, fuel prices costliest in the financial capital. Mumbai has not even come out of woods yet as far as the coronavirus crisis is concerned. And on top of that, this particular burden of fuel price hike comes in. How is the common man feeling today? What is the sentiment riding against the centre and the increase in the fuel prices that one is witnessing being the costliest in the financial capital?
I think the biggest sentiment being that the international crude prices are all-time low, and then too the fuel prices are rising. The cumulative increase which has been till now for petrol, it has been 4.5 rupees, and for diesel 4.6 rupees. So increasingly as people are starting out their businesses, increasingly as people are finding out ways to reach their offices in terms when they can't take public transport, so rising fuel prices are pinching the common man a lot, because it's being said that the economy is totally in a restart mode, and at that point of time people need as much help possible, and these rising fuel prices will only affecting mostly the middle and the lower middle class people who are dependent or who are now forced to take out their personal vehicle. That will be the section which will be most impacted. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for joining us with those latest details right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.